वीरों की गाथा सुनाने, देश प्रेम सबके मन में जगाने लेकर आए हैं कृष और बाल्टी बॉय। भारत है
Mouse Battalion. In today's board game, we will beat Krish and Balti Boy. Here I roll the dice and here comes 6! Aha! Oh, wow! The one who wins is Alexander and the one who loses is...
Monkey! And Balti Boy too!
There are still more chances left. And winning a lost chance is something we... know well.
How, Krish?
Keep watching, Balti Boy. Now it's my turn to roll the dice.
Abracadabra, holy hui, choo!
Trish, Balti Boy, look there. Look there. A lizard.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Whoa! Oh no!
Hey, what have you guys done? Due to the fear of lizard, you turned the board upside down and the whole game has been spoiled. It means the game is a draw. Neither you win nor we.
Cheater!
Cheating! Cheating! Cheating!
It's not cheating. It's called strategy, guys. Strategy. When you want to win over the enemy, then confuse them. Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope also did the same. Yeah.
Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope? Weren't they Rani Lakshmi Bai's friends? You mean they cheated?
Exactly.
Exactly not!
Huh? One is saying yes, other one is saying no. We'll know the truth only after listening to the story.
Sanskriti! Story mode on!
In the 19th century, at Bithur near Kanpur, Peshwa Bajirao II adopted Nana Dhondu Pant, that is Nana Sahib, and declared him as his successor. And he made the son of his home minister, Ramchandra Pandurang Yevlikar, that is Tatya Tope, whom he had raised as his son, take charge of the Peshwa dynasty's strategy and politics.
So let me first take you all to Bithur Palace, where Peshwa Bajirao II is handing over the throne to Nana Sahib.
I am not only giving you the royal throne, but a responsibility, Nana. A responsibility to remove the Britishers from our motherland.
Glory to Peshwa Nana Sahib! Glory to Peshwa Nana Sahib!
Azimullah.
As soon as Azimullah is called, he brings a gem-studded cap to Peshwa Bajirao II.
Tatya, this gem-studded cap is meant to honor not only your skills in strategy and politics, but also it is to remind you that you will now, together with Nana, protect the Peshwa dynasty's crown.
Glory to Peshwa Nana Sahib! Glory to Tatya Tope! Glory to Peshwa Nana Sahib! Glory to Tatya Tope! Peshwa Ji had made Nana Sahib the heir. But after the death of Peshwa Ji, the British also imposed on Bithur the rule of the doctrine of lapse.
Isn't this the same rule under which the British government did not consider the adopted son as the heir to the throne?
That's right, Balti Boy.
Then what did Nana Sahib do?
He used his wisdom. Instead of being enemies with the British, he made a false alliance with them.
Nana Sahib, there was absolutely no need for you to send your lawyer Azimullah all the way to England.
You tell me, what other option did I have? By suddenly enacting the doctrine of lapse law, you took away the sole right from me that Peshwa Bajirao himself had bestowed on me.
Why are you getting angry, Nana Sahib? We are not your enemies. The rules are the same for everyone. Under the doctrine of lapse, you are not entitled to a pension. But by allying with the company government, you have given your proof of loyalty. So the company government will also honor our alliance. Trust me, you will not be left wanting as long as we are with you.
Well, it is being heard that the East India Company's army has brought in some new types of cartridges, whose grease is made up of the fats of cows and pigs.
That's not true. It's a rumor.
Seeing the throat of the British officer being choked, Nana Sahib gestures to Tatya Tope to help him. And Tatya Tope, taking out his full anger, starts to blow punch after punch on the back of the Britisher. So many punches that Nana Sahib had to intervene.
Tatya.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
This rumor is spreading like wildfire. And to contain it, if you need our help, then feel free to ask. We made an alliance, we will honor it.
The British officers left feeling happy and satisfied. But something else was going on in Nana Sahib's mind. When they both were practicing sword fighting, Azimullah asked them,
That British officer is lying. Our spies have confirmed the news. These people want to start riots between Hindus and Muslims for their own benefit. Instead of supporting them, we should prepare our people for rebellion. What porridge is cooking in both of your minds?
Not khichdi, but rotis.
And lotus.
Yes, this roti and lotus will be the symbol of our liberation struggle.
What does it mean?
This roti is the prasad of goddess Annapurna. Poor or rich, Hindus or Muslims, soldiers or farmers, everyone understands its value. The roti will unite everyone.
And lotus?
Goddess is Lakshmi's symbol. These Britishers have snatched from the country's kings and landlords their kingdom, their glory and their honor. Now this lotus will inspire them to get it all back.
The trick is good. But the question is, how will all this happen? If the British become aware of this, then
Then we will lose the battle before it begins. We have to do this work very cleverly so that it never reaches the ears of the British government.
Oh yes, that is the reason we will create a cover of pilgrimage for our struggle and go to every corner of the country.
so then those Britishers will consider it only devotion, not revolution.
Exactly. Until the time Nana Sahib and I are on this journey, you stay in Bithur and keep a strict vigil on these British cantonments. We should keep a close eye on even the smallest activity so that we are fully prepared when the time is right.
This is not just a fight. This is a struggle for freedom. In this, everyone will have to come together and unite and attack at the same time so that this company government, which is dividing us into Hindus and Muslims, will be itself broken into pieces and we defeat them completely once and forever.
Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope, through lotus and roti, spread the message of independence to every corner of the country. And everyone together decided that they would begin a war on Sunday, May 31st, 1857 against the British government, which included Rani Lakshmi Bai. She talks to her commander and her faithful Jhalkari Bai.
My brother, my childhood friend Nana Sahib has sent me a message saying that he and Tatya Tope are preparing for a war against the British government.
Due to the doctrine of lapse, Nana Sahib also had to be deprived of Peshwa's pension and other rights too.
But this fight is not just to avenge the doctrine of lapse. This is the fight for our freedom that we all dreamt of since our childhood.
And now this dream is going to come true. And we should prepare ourselves for the attack as soon as possible.
There will be an attack and victory too. We have to send a message to Bithur that Jhansi is ready for May 31st.
The message of Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope spread like fire all over India. And empty baskets that had carried lotus stalks and flatbreads came back from many kingdoms.
As many lotus stalks are here, that many kingdoms' whole armies are ready to fight along with us.
And these empty baskets of rotis are telling us that the villagers are arranging food and drink for the army.
Now there's just to wait for 31st May.
Tatya Tope and Nana Sahib had confused the British for a good purpose, whereas Chris did it only to win a game.
Exactly! So what they did was strategy, and what Krish did was cheating.
Oh, You're still stuck on the game? Don't you want to hear the story further?
I know what happened. I heard in the story. Definitely Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope must have surely made the British taste the dust.
No. This plan of theirs failed.
Why?
But how?
Because the cartridges that the British were using were really problematic. The soldiers learnt about this, and before 31st May on 29th March 1857, Mangal Pandey started a rebellion. His death angered the rest of the soldiers, and without waiting for the right opportunity, they started fighting against the unfair English army in small detachments. If everyone had fought together on the same day, then the British army would have been divided and it would have been easier for us to win. But everyone was fighting separately and getting weaker.
So, all that planning for so many months, all preparations failed. So, what happened next?
What happened next, we will tell you. But not yet. A little wait, because the story is long and I'm feeling hungry.
Yeah.
Yes,
Even I'm
even we
feeling
are
hungry
hungry.
too.
And on a hungry stomach, our brains never run properly. Neither will I be able to tell the story, nor will it enter your mind properly.
So let's take a break here. To listen to the rest of the story, come in the next episode.
But before taking a break, say it proudly.
भारत है हम
Hey guys! If you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.